Today we're going to look at Windocks with SQL Server database cloning. This is a Hyper-V based design, and we use both full and differential backups and snapshots. With the Docker command line interface or a web console, we deliver a one-click developer self-service experience. The trick to the design is integrated management of the images, containers, clones, and mount points, delivering an easy-to-maintain solution. We're going to use Windows Server 2016, and we build containers and images with a Docker file. This is a standard configuration file. You can see we're using a full backup. We're using SQL Server 2012, and I'm going to apply data masking scripts as well. We build the Docker file using a docker build command, and we define the path to the full backup. We could build an image with multiple databases with multiple paths, or split backup files as well. Now, building this environment is going to take a fair amount of time because we're restoring a full backup. So we're going to take a break rather than wait through the whole process, but we'll be back in a few minutes when this completes. Okay, the backup is just about complete, and there it is. At this point, we can confirm the images by using the Docker images command. You can see customers 1 is present, and we can build a container with a mounted cloned environment. I'm going to define a port at 10,100, and I'm going to name the container, and we'll just reference the image. Now, this process will take just a matter of seconds to complete, and it will deliver a running SQL Server environment with that cloned database environment. The database will be writable, but will only occupy 10% of the full image. The environment has now been built. It's being started. You can see it is available at port 10,100. And we'll go ahead and use SQL Management Studio to take a look at this. The container environment is accessible with all standard SQL Server tools. You can see the customer's database is present. And at this point, let's assume that we want to build a new image using a differential backup. I have the Docker file ready to go. You can see it references customers 1 image. It's a differential update using the differential backup file, obviously, and implements the same data masking script. So we'll build this just as we did the previous image. And it again will take a similar amount of time because we're building it from the full backup. And it will create a full byte copy image of this environment. And as we did before, rather than waiting for the complete process to complete, we'll take a break and we'll come back to the process when the image is completed. Okay, and the image is now complete. We can confirm the image again with the Docker images command. You can see that we have 2 images available now. They both can be used to create containerized cloned environments. The folder where the backup files are stored has 2 parent images, customers 1 and customers 2. And Windocks will manage the clones with the images. This is the web console. You can see the images are available, and with a single click we can provision a container with the cloned environment. The console also includes the containers that can be started, stopped, and used to create images as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick demo. Feel free to visit our website and download the Community Edition, this free downloadable version of Windocks, so you can